Alright, so for today's video, we're gonna make a big squishy tower together. Just wait, there's a twist. We have to pick them blindfolded. Perfect. Do you want to start? Alright, let's take our blindfolds off.
We got so many.
Woo! There's one of each kind here.
They're so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited for this.
Same. It can stretch really far. Oh. We'll do a mini stretch. Put it on. Ooh, that's cute. The more you stretch it, the fluffier it gets.
Really?
Yeah, try some. I'll show you how to fluff it. Overlap it.
Oh,
Just like this.
really pretty.
Yeah. Stick it right on top. Let's see how far we can get to stretch.
So stretchy.
Thumbnail.
Oh
But it doesn't stick to clothes.
no. Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. All the way. Can't even see it.
Crazy.
So slow rising.
No. I could watch it forever.
It's almost like a putty form.
I know.
I wonder if we could bounce it.
I bet it'd be really bouncy. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. It landed right back by my foot.
So how are you gonna put it on?
I think we're gonna stand it up. Maybe almost like a fence.
Oh yeah, that looks so cool.
If we can get it up here.
Mm-hmm.
Here, do you wanna help me?
Yeah, perfect.
Cute.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Woo. Right on top here. See like a little swirl here. Do you want to put it on? Perfect.
Got it.
It's all good. Boom.
Perfect.
Whipped cream on top.
Okay,
All right, it's time for the big squish, the best part.
I'm so excited.
Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
It's awesome.
Woo! Well, thank you for joining us.
I'm so glad I came here at just the right moment.
Also, thank you guys for joining us. And if you want to see more slimy creations, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, did you know we're having a giveaway? If you want to know how to enter, make sure you go check out our last video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.